with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. So listen, you guys. Okay, so if you're new here, let's just get that out the way. If you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I'm Shay. Subscribe, hit the like button, support your girl. Definitely hit the like button, support your girl. And make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss out on a video. So listen, Flavor Wiki hit us with some surveys, right? I'm just gonna skip right onto it, right? I was rejected the first 3 or 4, and I was just like, okay, let's get creative. So I started switching things up and changing things up because it rejected me right after I entered my ethnicity. So I was like, okay, let me just change it up. So I was like, okay, let's try Hispanic. So I tried Hispanic and it worked. So Hispanic with kids worked for me. I don't know if it's gonna work for me. Cause your girl is awfully dark. And I didn't think about it until I had to put my thumb up. I was like, damn, bitch, you black. And so I don't know how it's gonna work out, you guys. I really don't. But I did do all of the surveys. And I think I only bought how many items? I got 6 or 7 from Stater Brothers, which is just a local grocery store, and I got 1 from Walmart. So I did all those yesterday. I'm gonna wait 2 or 3 days and see how it work out. If it work out, then I should still have time to do the rest of them. But y'all, I don't know if it's gonna work out. I didn't think about it until it was time to put the thumb up. I was like, damn, bitch. And so there is that. I need 10 offers for $1 for Ibotta. I am tracking for the larger bonus, and for that I only need 3 more offers. Like, if I knew I was that close, I would have hit that in my last video. But I wasn't thinking about it, and I didn't notice it until I got home. So I was like, okay, whatever. So we'll hit it for today. So I'll get 10 offers and we'll get back $11, which is awesome, right? So one of you guys left a comment, not straight. I wanted to mention this again. I mentioned it in my video yesterday, but it was at the end of the video, and I was like, I know a lot of people ain't gonna watch that video. And so, with the, Rockstar promotion, it is a promotion that you can do every other week per their terms and conditions, which I would have never, ever read. And so there is that. Now, I don't think you have to have another referral link of sorts to do it again. I just assume you would just text your picture to the same number that you did the last time. And then that promotion runs all the way till, I think, December 30th, which is awesome because I know we all gonna be hella tired of Rockstar. And a lot of you guys have used my link. A lot of you guys, like, literally, I'm up to 76, like 70, and I did this 5 times yesterday. I've been trying to do the Rockstar everywhere I go. So I've done it at Food for Less. They're buy one, get one free. They're $2.69. So it's a nice moneymaker there. The receipt does go process pretty fast, 24 hours. So like literally the next day it goes through. And all of these I did yesterday morning, and they all hit my Venmo this morning. So if you haven't did the Rockstar, it's buy 2, get back 5. I'll have a link in the description. And again, thank you guys so much for all of you guys that have used my link so far. I'm just going to start stockpiling them and then donate half to the hospital and the other half to the fire department by my house. But with that being said, you guys, so it was already super long. We're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys, so this first deal is on the Great Value Almond and Cranberry Nut Bars, priced at $4.12. Now, this is a Flavor Wiki offer. You get back $6.24. It makes us a $2.12 moneymaker. Now, I do have other offers that I plan to do, hopefully, if everything works out. There's one for the Nature Valley Muffin Bars. There's one for the Kind for Kids. I don't think Walmart carries it. There's one for the Z-Bar iced cookie, and they have a smaller box. I don't see it here. There's one for Bobo's. There's one for Made Good. I don't think they have the Made Good one here. There's a couple for Kind again. There's a couple for Cliff. There's also a couple for Nature Valley. There's 2 or 3 for Great Value. There's one for the Sunbelt. I think I got Sunbelt at Stater Brothers. And what else? There's Fiber One, the coffee cake one down there. I I think that was basically it, but there's a ton. And so I will do, there's also Kodiak as well. I'll do those Stater Brother deals at the end when I get home for the final breakdown. I just have pictures that I took. And so, yeah. All right. And of course, we're grabbing the Rockstar again. Again, this is an aisles offer. It is a limit of 1. You want to buy 2, priced at $188. You'll get back 5 through aisles, either Venmo or via PayPal. I've been doing it for Venmo, and so 2 of them is going to cost you what? It's going to be $376, and you'll get back 5. That offer goes through pretty fast. All of mine's clear the next day, and then it'll make that $1.24 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. All right, I swear this looks exactly how it did when I was here last. It's on the Starbucks triple shot energy. These are priced at $328. This is an easy offer for Ibotta. The limit is 5. Multiple redemptions are counting for me, so it's an easy way to get 5 redemptions done. And so you're gonna grab 1 at $328. You'll get back $250 on Ibotta, making that 78 cents, which is awesome. I was hoping they was gonna restock, but they didn't. I checked online before I came, so I kind of was like, okay, whatever. Let's just hope that they do by the time I get there, but they didn't. So I was gonna grab some more of the Island Hibiscus one. And so listen, I did this offer yesterday. The offers for Snuggle reset yesterday on Ibotta. Only thing is now it excludes coupons. And what else? Oh yes, there's only a limit of 1, which sucks, right? Because originally I was gonna grab the Snuggle, the smaller ones down there. But yeah, so when I did it yesterday, I grabbed 1 at $187. I used the $1.25 coupon right here from coupons.com. I ordered from an IP. Of course, as soon as I order another set, Ibotta excludes the coupon, right? Yeah. And has limits. And so I grabbed 5 of them and used 4 coupons, and I ended up paying $4.85, and I got back $3.75 on Ibotta, which made them 22 cents each, which I think is pretty good. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled and hope this resets so I can use the rest of my coupons. I could grab these right here with the coupon, but I really don't want to pay any more for it than I have to. And so, yeah. All right, guys. So I was here, not this store, I was at the other store where they lock these up. Well, they lock the regular ones up. And so I was like waiting forever for someone to come and lock the case. And I was just like, it sucks. I have to wait for someone to open up the case just so I can buy an item that's $1.88. Sucks, right? So rather than wait, I ended up grabbing the trial size one. Low-key wanted to try to see if it was going to work. So you grab 1 at $154. It did work for me on Shopkick, and I did get back 400 kicks, which makes it a 6-cent moneymaker. And it's crazy because I've done this deal like a bunch of times already. I've done it 11 times already, at least. So I'm gonna do 2 more separate transactions, and hopefully it works out. Now, if you don't want to grab this one, you just don't want to do, you can grab the ones that are priced at $188. They're on the regular aisle. Getting back 400 kicks, which is $1.60 on Shopkick, would make it 28 cents, which is still not bad. But I only grabbed this one because I didn't want to wait for the person to come unlock the case. And so, yeah, just a heads up, it does work. All right, the last deal that I did is on the CoverGirl brow pencils. They're priced at $4.47. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta and $2 on ShopMe makes it only 47 cents. Now I also have it on Swagbucks, My Points inbox into that as well. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. And so yeah, so I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. I ran into a couple of you guys today at Food for Less. We was sitting there chit-chatting for a minute, right? And you guys, they shared some glitches with me that I did not know about. And so I'm going to pass them on to you, right? It's for Food for Less. I don't know if it's going to be the same at Kroger since Food for Less is a Kroger affiliate. The first one's on this product right here. I ain't even going to slaughter the name of it. I ain't going to do that. But these are $109. There is a $1.50 offer on Ibotta that it's G wording with, making those a moneymaker, which is awesome. Limit of 5, so we maxed it out. Now, when you submit your receipt, you're not going to go in and correct the amount. Just let it stay at 1, And once it processes, it's going to process all 5, which it did for me. And it made that a moneymaker on that. The other thing was the fancy feast. Now, correct me, girls, if one of you guys are watching in the comments, correct me if it has to be this particular one or just fancy feast, period. These are priced at $129, and there is a $2.50 offer on Ibotta SG wording with a limit of 3. Again, same thing with that apple drink over there. Don't change the quantity. Just let it stay 1. Once it processes, it'll process all 3. All right. The last thing is on the Blue Buffalo Tasteful. This one, it has to be the chicken. It has to be this one here. All right. So these are priced at, I think, $169. And it's working for a $3 offer on Ibotta. Okay, limit of 5. Same thing. Don't go in and worry about changing the count. When the receipt processes, it's gonna process as 5. So I'm hoping those reset for me tomorrow because I will be definitely doing those again. And girls, thank you guys so freaking much. And then of course I got more of the Rockstars at Food for Less as well. I think I did it 3 or 4 times at Food for Less. I did it 3 times at Dollar Tree. And I did it like 8 times, I want to say, at Walmart. What else? These are the bars that I found at Stater Brothers. And like the first clip, like I said, I don't know. We're going to just see what happened. All right. These are the single bars that I found at Stater Brothers as well. As you guys know with Flavor Wiki, the single bars do work as long as it's the correct product. And if you read the description, it says it can be any count as long as it's the right product. But the value of the reward does not change, all right? The Gatorades I got from Dollar Tree too. They're 2 for $3. I got back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta. I got back $1.25 for each on Fresh Reward. Oh, and then for the Blue Buffalo cat food, there's an offer on Fresh Reward as well for that. I think it's $1 back when you buy 4. So make that an even bigger money maker. Other than that, you guys, I think that's basically it. So everything you see here retails $144.74. I have $5 in coupons. That was for the Snuggle, which of course now the offer on Ibotta excludes coupons. Go figure. Bringing the out-of-pocket down to $139.74. I should be getting back $75 from Isles. Flavor Wiki should be $70.90. Ibotta is $63.50. I'm still waiting for the Stater Brothers receipt to process. The Nature Valley, I have 2 offers for 50 cents, and I had $1.75, I think, for the C-Bar, which I only counted 1 of the 50-cent offers for the Nature Valley because I'm not sure if I'll get both. Shopkick is $8. Fetch Reward was $3.61. My points was $2.13. And Shop Mium was $2 for the CoverGirl. So I did get credit for that on my points and Shop Mium as well. Shop Mium's receipt actually went through faster. Today went through real quick. The last receipt from our last haul, y'all, it took over 2 days, probably closer to almost 3 days, I want to say, for it to process, which sucks. And it was actually validated, but it just I hadn't got paid yet. So, but today's receipt went through pretty fast. And so we walk with a total of $225.44 in rebates. It's going to make everything you see here, guys, free plus an $85.70 money maker, you guys. What? That is so awesome. Now, let me just make this little disclaimer, okay? If this don't go through, because you already know why, it'll be a $14.80 money maker, which is still not bad. But it would have been a bigger moneymaker if I get that back. So I'll let y'all know what happens in the next few days. Other than that, Jojo, what's your emoji again?
Train.
Huh?
Train.
A train. You got a backup?
Yep.
What's your backup emoji? Huh?
Bread.
Bread? You hear him? He said, oh, he lost his tooth, y'all. He lost another tooth. He had the one that was loose. Remember when he lost those 2 teeth the other day or the other week? Those wasn't even loose. He hit a swing and knocked them out. The one that wasn't loose, that one didn't fall out. It came out today. So, oh my gosh. I'm like, where's all his teeth? And he don't even eat sugar like that, y'all. He ain't even that kind of kid. He not. All he eat is gummy bears sometimes, and that's it. And he like the sugar-free ones. What? Anyways, Other than that, y'all, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching from. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.